could you be planning to fly out in the next couple of days? Well, be notified. The Kenya Airline Pilots Association has threatened that pilots will down their tools if KQ's Chief Executive Officer Mbuvi Ngunze does not resign. KTN Business delves deeper into the implications of the 48-hour strike notice by KALPA.
It could turn out to be the first major strike by Kenyan pilots if threats made by Kenya Pilots Association see the light of day. With an average membership of over 500 pilots, KALPA, through its staff talking Secretary General Paul Gishinga, maintains it is time for Kenya Airways Chief Executive Officer Mbuvi Ngunze to exit.
It is time to end the rhetoric and salvage the pride of Africa. As the association representing members in Kenya's employment, KALPA has a vested interest in the recovery of the national airline, Kenya Airways. We are convinced that the current group CEO lacks aviation experience, capacity, and the moral authority to champion the airline's recovery.
The association has accused the airline CEO of mismanaging the national carrier, which has been on a loss-making streak, the worst ever in Kenya's aviation history.
KALPA hereby issues a 48-hour strike notice effective today, 26th April 2016.
People decisions are much more sensitive, and the thing about people decisions, it's not that you can just make a casual approach to them. We have to make, as part of the holistic view of the plan, a solid review of where do we need to take reductions, what sort of quantum do we need, what's the impact of that, and how do we finance it.
The airline's 25.7 billion shillings loss in 2015 was linked to a downturn in tourism following Al-Shabaab attacks in the country and the Ebola outbreak in West Africa, one of the airline's key markets. The strike threat by the association could further destabilize the airline that is fighting hard to take off again. The demands made by KALPA come against the backdrop of an impending retrenchment exercise by Kenya Airways, in which at least 600 employees could lose their jobs beginning May this year.
We already made decisions around aircrafts. So today, we've sold 777-200s, two of them, they're out of the network. The 777-300s, we are subleasing those. We are subleasing another 2 787s. So all those actions have been taken. Those are painful decisions in a business.
The airline has dismissed the reports of a strike, saying such a strike would be illegal as it is in violation of the required minimum period of 7 days' notice. The statement further says such a strike would be in bad faith, terming it an act of economic sabotage given the current challenges at the national carrier.